Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be discussing what you should do if you suspect that one of your online accounts has been hacked. It can be a very stressful situation, but with the right steps, you can secure your accounts and protect your sensitive information. The first thing you should do if you suspect that your account has been hacked is to change your password immediately. Make sure your new password is complex and unique, and avoid using the same password for multiple accounts. Once you've changed your password, make sure to sign out of all devices that you're logged into. This is an important step to prevent the hacker from accessing your account again. The next step is to check your account for any suspicious activity. Look for any unauthorized transactions or changes to your account settings. If you find anything suspicious, report it to the website or app's support team as soon as possible. They may be able to help you recover your account and prevent any further damage. To further secure your account, we recommend enabling two-factor authentication. This will require a second form of verification, such as a code sent to your phone, in addition to your password when logging in. This can help prevent hackers from accessing your account, even if they have your password. It's important to regularly monitor your accounts for any suspicious activity, even after you've taken these steps. Set up alerts for any changes to your account settings or transactions, and review them regularly. This can help you catch any issues early on and prevent any further damage. And that's it for today's video on what to do if your accounts are hacked. Remember, it's important to act quickly and take these steps to protect your accounts and your personal information. If you have any other tips or suggestions, feel free to share them in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech and security videos from our channel.